Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a fall makeup look. I'm gonna start with my eyes because the eyeshadows tend to have a little fallout. So I'm gonna start with an all over base using this one. So next I'm gonna go in with this reddish color and I'm just applying that to the crease. Now I'm gonna go in with some of the shimmery orange just in the crease. And I'm going to use a blending brush and I'm going to blend it all in. Now that that is finished, I'm going to go in with this brown shade and I'm going to use this for the all over kind of color. Oh, you're so funny. I'm just patting this in. And now for the inner corners, I'm going to go in with this color. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Lorac Front of the Line Pro Liner. For the upper lash line, I am using I think it's the Ciate London Fierce Flicks eyeliner. For foundation, I'm using the Rimmel London's Wake Me Up Foundation. And for concealer, I received in my Ipsy bag some of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So I'm just going to use that for under my eyes. To set my eye concealer, I just used some of the Airspun powder. What is it? What? To contour, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I know, you're tired. You're supposed to be sleeping. For blush, I'm going to be using the City Color Be Matte Blush Palette. I'm going to take the color Guava. For my lips, I'm going to use the Real Her Girl Power lipstick in Mauve. Okay, so for mascara, I am using the Broadway Colors Curling Mascara. This is just one that I bought real cheap at Dollar General. So here's the finished look. I think it's a great look for fall. I like the way that it turned out. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to see more. Thanks for watching. Bye!